Hi everyone, today I will talk with you about the difference in the hurricanes. So first thing, the difference in the hurricanes. So we have cyclones, typhoon and hurricanes. All of these names are used around the world to describe the most powerful storm known to man. Hurricanes are unpredictable, but scientists have a thorough understanding of how hurricanes form and sustain their power. In the Atlantic Ocean, hurricane season peaks during the late summer months when the tropical water are the warmest. Hurricane formed from a cluster of thunderstorms that suck up the warm, moist air and move it high into Earth's atmosphere. The warm air is converted into energy that power the hurricane's circular winds. These winds spin around a low pressure center called the eye, which can provide a 20 to 30 miles radius of surge. Common circling it is the eye wall, a towering ring of clouds with some of the fastest wind speeds of the hurricane. Surrounding the eye wall, this is the eye wall, are curved bands of clouds. The rain bands often tens of miles wide, releasing sheets of rain, and sometimes the tornado when the tropical storm's winds reach at least 70 miles per hour. So here we have the different categories. So 74 miles per hour is the minimal damage. You can have more than 155 mil per hour from wind speed, and this is catastrophic, like I don't know, Irma and something like that. This is catastrophic. It becomes a hurricane. The hurricane received the category ranking 1 from 1 to 5 on Saffir-Simpson scale based on its wind speed and potential damage. But wind speed isn't always the most dangerous component. When hurricanes come near land, it's storm surge. And this is like the storm surge when you have a winds and you are in something like a beach, or you are in the coast of any beach, you will have something like that. The water will come to you. So storm surge is caused when winds from an approaching hurricane push water towards the shoreline up to 20 feet above. It's just like this, 20 feet above sea level, and can extend 100 miles. So this is horrible. And this is one of, we have here storm surge and hurricane. This is the eye of the hurricane from the satellite. 90% of hurricane deaths are the result of storm surge, while hurricane can cause mass devastating. Just like other natural disasters, they serve a higher purpose within the global ecosystem. Hurricane help regulate our climate by moving heat and energy from the equator to the pole, keeping the earth temperature stable. Over time, science has helped us to better understand hurricanes and predict their path, saving lives through early warning system and helping us build better infrastructure to protect our cities. The more we study these complex storms, the better we can prepare for them and minimize their impact on human lives. And also, if we knew how to save the buildings, so if you can see here, this is Katrina, a hurricane that we had in 25, and I heard something about Irma hurricane that they cost the government $1 billion or $5 billion to build the new house or take up the damage that we have. So it's a big number. So the government have a problem with money because when they have these hurricanes, or tornado or cyclones or any one of these, they have to pay a lot. So they have damage in how to say, in citizens' life, because there are deaths from these hurricanes. Also they have a problem with costs, so that costs the government a lot because they are paid for this damage. But we can have like solution to not pay that much of money by, for example, making a house from material that can support these hurricanes. I don't know, maybe we can use the metal to do it, or anything like that, to just have low costs when we have hurricanes. So we have to know which material we will use to let the damage of costs humans or lives of humans, and also the houses and anything like that. This costs the government a lot, so we have to know what we will do to do that, and that's why we are studying those hurricanes, to know what to do in the future. If you will be an engineering, to know what to do when you will build a new house, which materials you will use to prevent these hurricanes and don't let a big damage come on. And also we have in the Quran in Kahf, أعطوني زبر الحديد حتى إذا سوى بين صدفين قال انفخوا. This is just like a material, and he put something in it to let it very hard to be prevented. So this is one of the most powerful solution that I saw in our religion, for example. But we still are searching what to do with the houses and how to let this cause low damage. And thank you, and hope that I will see you next time. I hope that you enjoy my video.